Hello! Another chika ni Lore ng Chismosa. Ang Big Creek Cabin built in 1926. See that? 1926. Ganon katanda ang cabin na ito. Ito yung kanyang pinto. At ito ay ayun ang sa loob. May mga upuan sa loob. At sisilip tayo sa bintana, ipakita ko kung ano para makita nyo ang nasa loob. Ayan ang loob niya. Ayan. Built in 1926. They keep this building, they keep nila itong, ayan, ang sa loob niya. Ayan, tingnan mo yung kahoy, matibay, ginawa ito 1926, pero tingnan nyo, ganun katibay. And we go around here, look at that wood na ginamit nila. Kakatakot sa loob, may mga upuan. Pang horror ang topic na ito, charing. So, ayan. Ayan ang Big Creek Cabin built in 1926. At pupunta tayo dito sa mga ito yung transportation nila before. Look at ito yung mga gamit nilang sasakyan in the 1900s. Dinisplay na dito for us to see how they live before, kung paano. Ito yung kanilang sasakyan. Look at that. Yan, look at that. Yan, may upuan, gawa sa kahoy. Ito yung kanilang, para hindi mabasa ang pasahero nila, at may upuan. Look at that. Ito yung mga gulong. Look at the gulong. Tingnan mo yung wheels. So yun ang kanilang transportation before. Ayan. So ang lalaki ng gulong ng kanilang sasakyan. Look at that. Paano sila nagta-travel nung panahon by using this. Look at that. Wagon hoops. Do not climb on the wagon. Pwedeng sabit daw, wag lang aakyat. Ito naman, ayan, look at that. Look at mga gulong ng kanilang. Ito yung this is the transportation they used before. Kasi wala pa naman doon noong panahon ng mga Subaru, Chevy. They don't have that car that time. Wala pa nung mga jeep at mga SUV. Kaya nung araw, ito ang mga SUV nila. Look at that. Mga antique. Diba? So, can you imagine, sasakay ka rito, gawa sa kahoy. In the 1900s. At ayan. Oh, antique. Unbelievable. I don't know kung saan ito ginagamit. Siguro pag maingay ang kanilang pasahero, pinupukbok ito sa ulo. Charing. Look at that, how they build that. Antique. Ito yung mga parts na ginamit. 1900s. Wow. Can you imagine that? This wagon in 1900s, ito yung kanilang sasakyan. Parang bangka, gawa sa kahoy. Look at that. At ang lalaki ng gulong. At ito, look at that. Ito lang yung kanilang harang. Tapaludo. So what can you say about that more, darling?
Well, these wagons were for early transportation. That's all we had. And they're pulled by horses, all right? 1 or 2 horses. Of course, they have bigger wagons, of course, and but this is our early major transportation that we had in the United States, all over the United States, not one area, but the whole United States, all right? And so that's about it. All this equipment that you see here, is all old equipment, all right? And it could be considered as antiques.
Yep.
So, okay.
Okay, thank you, darling. So, antique daw ang mga ito at pwede nang ipakilo. Okay. Yan ang chismis ni Lorna ngayon, ang mga old cabin and wagon. Yan muna ang aking chismis, and we will go some more places to show more chismis. Have a good day. Stay happy and healthy. Be happy always para walang wrinkles. Okay, bye-bye.